Hello, I'm Tani, your travel expert at Asia Odyssey Travel. This is my digital avatar. As a graduate in tourism management and a lifelong explorer, I've spent over 8 years earning my stripes as a travel consultant. I've walked the cobblestone alleys of Kyoto, marveled at the Himalayas' peaks, and savored street food in Bangkok's bustling markets. My journey started in Chengdu, where I honed my skills in crafting seamless cross-cultural adventures. I'm here to elevate your travels. My itineraries aren't just routes, they're tapestries woven with stories. Whether I'm explaining the symbolism behind Angkor Wat carvings or guiding you to a hidden dim sum master in Hong Kong, I blend historical intrigue with local flavor. My personal obsession with the details means I'll secure that perfect sunrise slot at Borobudur Temple and make sure we double-check your meal preferences for things like shellfish allergies. This is how Asia Odyssey Travel shows we care about our customers by making sure every aspect of your trip is considered. The magic is in being meticulous, and I'm dedicated to ensuring your experience is both seamless and unforgettable. Let's plan your next adventure together with Asia Odyssey Travel.